Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to screen record on your POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the quick settings. So we're gonna scroll from the right side down and we got everything right here. Now if you do not have the screen recorder right here, then click on edit at the bottom and scroll down until you see it right here. So we got the screen recorder. Now we have added it successfully. If we want to move it, we just hold it and then we can select it to be here. We're gonna save it, and as you guys can see, we got the screen recorder. Let's click allow, and as you guys can see here, we got everything. So now what we're gonna do is I'll show you how to easily change the resolution and everything. So we're gonna click on this gear icon right here. We got the resolution. Of course we can change it, so 1280 by 720 is not much. Let's put it higher, and of course we can set the video quality to over 100 megabits per second. So basically if you put it at 100, then of course the video size will be bigger, but it will be better quality. So it's totally up to you. If you don't mind wasting a couple of megabytes or gigabytes depending on the size of the video, then you can use it. Of course, orientation, you guys can select portrait and landscape. It's totally up to you whether you record in landscape or, let me quickly go back, if you record in the landscape or the portrait. But as you guys can see here, you can easily change it, or you can keep it on auto so it automatically adjusts. Now we got the sound source. Here you guys can change it, so it can be either microphone system or both, so you can record your microphone and the audio from your phone at the same time. Of course we got the frame rate, so we can record in 15 fps, 24, 30, 48 and 60. So 24 fps is the normal frames per second in the cinema, for an example, and 60 fps is the max on the YouTube. So if you're not using some motion blurs and everything, then of course it will look like 60. But if you do use the motion blurs, it can look like a 220 because of the render. But here we only recorded raw videos, there's no rendering included. So I would recommend putting it either at 60 or 90 fps depending on where you want to share the clip on. And of course the higher frame rate, of course it will reduce the motion blur at some point. So of course we can lock screen to end, and if we lock screen we simply tap on this button and it will end the video completely. We can move it around. If we want to have it here, it will be here. We can show the button taps, so whenever we record we will have the taps and it should work. I'm not really sure how exactly will it look on the recording, but we should see the taps. If we don't see them, then we need to, as you guys can see, we got it now. It should work. We got the touches. Let's go over and now tap on it and I'll show you how it looks like. So it looks like this. We've got the touches that we're doing on our screen. And now, where do you save those videos? It's a pretty great question. We're gonna start recording pretty quick, and as you guys can see, let's record doing something like this. Open up a TikTok, let's say Copilot, and now we're gonna go over save the video, and we're gonna open up the gallery, and here we will have our videos that are saved. So this is the video that we just took. As you guys can see, there's everything, and this is definitely 90 fps. It's not 120, but that's basically how you guys can easily use the screen record here. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.